here we're going to talk about what a piecewise linear graph is and how to graph it and relate it to its equation. So in this example, I have an equation, a piecewise function here, which is comprised of two different pieces. That's why it's called piecewise. It's called linear because each of those pieces is a line, or part of a line. So first what I want to do is I want to graph these pieces. And once you get the hang of these, you won't go to the depth that I have right now. But let's look at the first one, x minus 3 from negative 3 to 0. So first let's just focus on the x minus 3 bit. If I wanted to graph this line, y equals x minus 3, I know that its y-intercept is at negative 3, and it has a slope of 1. So I'll get my points plotted here. And then I'm just going to connect these. So here's my graph of the x minus 3. Now I got to plot the second piece. So let's focus on the second piece here. 1 half x plus 4. So it has a y-intercept of 4, which is here. It has a slope of 1 half, so up 1 and over 2. Okay, so those are my two lines, but this piecewise means that it only has these lines in part of it. So the blue one is only between the x values or the domain values of negative 3 and 0. So from here to here. So if I go down, that means this whole part of the graph right here is not part of this piecewise function, and anything beyond 0. So only exists between negative 3 and 0. Now the second part of this is that you see how there's a less than sign and not equal to at the 0, whereas at the negative 3 there is an equal sign. So it is equal at negative 3, so this would be a closed circle. But at 0, it has to be an open circle. Then, for the second part, we have only from 0 to 4. So it is included at 0 and it is included at 4, but nothing before or after that. And since it is included, those would be filled in. And that's how you graph a piecewise linear graph.